Hello and welcome to my what I eat in a day video. I decided before I get into the food part of this video, I'd explain like my diet and stuff like that, because obviously everybody has a different diet. I eat pretty much everything and anything. It sounds so bad when I say that, but I try to sometimes substitute dairy with non-dairy items, and same with like meat with non-meat items. It depends on the days and stuff like that, and what I have in my freezer and my fridge and everything. But I thought I would just basically do a what I eat in a day video, because I really enjoy watching these, and on this channel I want to do stuff that I enjoy watching as well as enjoy filming. And basically I'm off work today, I don't have anything to do, so I thought this would be the perfect day to start off with a what I eat in a day video. There will be ones where there'll be like ones from a weekend where I have a treat, or there'll be ones where I'm working and stuff like that. They're not always going to be on my days off, but I thought if you enjoy them I will do more of these. And currently my diet is basically eat within a certain calorie limit. I am basically just calorie counting at the moment because it works best for me. I've actually lost half a stone doing this since the beginning of January. We're now into February, so I've lost half a stone within like a month and a bit, which I'm really happy with. So I'm just going to basically with this video share the calories down here of whatever meal I'm having, and then at the end of the day basically tell you what I had in total and everything like that. So I'm going to get into it because it is like 10 o'clock and I have not had breakfast yet and I am starving. So my breakfast came to 130 calories. The reason for this is because of I try to have some form of fresh fruit when I have yogurt and stuff, and I always pick a low calorie yogurt, and I've recently found out that bran flakes are so low in calories that you could literally have a 40-gram bowl and they come to like 100 and something calories. They're puffs of air, but they taste amazing and they are really filling. So I've got that, and then I'm going to try and finish off this bottle of water from Hydrate Mate. This is about 900 mils roughly of water, and I try to drink at least 2 of those a day. And if I'm struggling to drink it, I put a little bit of squash in and it goes down a lot easier. But I'm going to eat this and then I'll catch you when I go to have lunch. I have a dressing gown on because I have no heating on in my house at the moment because it's just me. So trying to save energy and money and all that. But I'm about to have lunch, so ignore this. I'm going to have lunch, and I don't really have a lot in for lunch. I normally have a lot of fruit when I'm at work, or like tuna or something like that, and I don't really fancy tuna today. So I am having some crackers and a little bit of cheese and maybe like an apple or something, but I'm going to show you it now because I'm going to prep it now, and then I will tell you how many calories it all is. I am having 2 crackers with a little bit of cheese on. I think it was roughly about 17 grams worth of cheese. I'm having 2 Sapsinumas with that because I just kind of want some fruit. And my treat is the packet of crisps. I don't really eat crisps that often. Very rarely do I eat crisps. But it is the day after weigh day, if I'm being honest. So I'm treating myself to a packet of crisps because I'm not having any treats this weekend. So that's kind of like my thing. If I know that I'm not doing anything on the weekend or in the week, I will treat myself like one day with certain things. So the crisps are a treat because of I don't really eat them, and they're kind of like a healthier crisp. But that is my lunch. I didn't actually end up finishing my water bottle because I ended up doing loads of stuff. So I'm going to finish that off and then have another one, but I'll keep you updated on my water intake as well, because obviously I try to aim for at least 2 litres a day. Some days I can barely do 1, which everybody can do that. But it's just some days I'm more busy than others where I don't think to actually drink water. So I'm going to aim for 2 today and see how I get going. But I'm going to enjoy my lunch now. I'm really looking forward to it. I don't really have cheese that often, and I absolutely love cheese. So I'm really excited to have cheese on crackers. So I'm just going to go eat that now. For dinner, as you saw, it came to 290 calories because I used loads of peppers instead of like chicken and stuff. But I'm gonna put you on charge now because you're about to die, and I'm gonna eat this and then I'll get back to you if I have anything else. I've still got a lot of calories left in the day that I do need to consume because I need to try and get my average amount in, so I will get back to you in a bit. It is nearly 8 o'clock and I thought I would share with you the last thing I'm having. I'm having 50 grams of the bubblegum squashums. If you've never seen these, they're like the drumstick squashums but they're bubblegum flavour, and I'm having 50 grams of those, and then I'm having a little packet of black currant millions which works out at 10 grams, and that works out at, I'll tell you these ones, I'll put it up here somewhere as well when I come to editing it, but that came to 176 calories for the squashums and then 40 calories for the millions. So that's all I'm having. Today was the 8th of February, just to let you know. It's more for me to know for when I come back to edit this that I actually know what day I ate. But if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know what you thought of it. Obviously today is different to some days because I'm at home, so I'm not doing lots of running around, so I'm actually not losing a lot of energy, so I didn't need to eat loads and loads and loads of food. I will do different days. I will do like a day where I'm like basically at my boyfriend's and we're having a cheat day, or days where like I'm at work and pre-show you what I'm eating for work and stuff like that, and lots of other things. So if you want to see more of these, give it a thumbs up. I really enjoyed this. My diet is basically
eat in moderation of what I want, try and stick within a certain amount of calories a day, and just basically enjoy what I want to eat. Basically, I don't want to feel restricted in ways. If I want to eat some sweets, I will eat some sweets, but if I want to have fruit, I can have fruit. I don't want to be like stuck. I do eat dairy, and I also try not to eat as much dairy. I do eat meat, and I try to eat meat-free alternatives as well. So my diet is very varied. I don't have like a thing for me, like a branding, so this is literally just going to be called a why eat in a day video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, as I will be putting more content up to do with eating and stuff like that, as well as lots of other things that I always do. So yeah, I'll see you all soon. Bye.